Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study about conjunctions. So, what is a conjunction? Conjunction are those words that are used to connect words or phrases and clause. So, basically, what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word which is used to join two words or two sentences, or you can say phrases or clauses into one. I have explained your phrases and clauses in the previous classes. If you don't know, you can go into the previous videos and check it out. So, what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word which joins two words, two sentences, or two phrases or clauses or clause into a single sentence. Like here is an example: I like bread and butter. Okay, if I break this sentence into two sentences, it will be I like bread, I like butter. Okay, but if you want join that two sentences into a single sentence and write it into a one sentence, so how will write that two sentence? I like bread and butter. So what is the word which we have used to join two sentences? It is and. So what is and is our conjunction. Next, she wanted to help Amar but he refused. Now here again there are two sentences. She wanted to help Amar, Amar refused. Okay, now Amar refused is a one is a phrase and other is a sentence. So she wanted to help Amar, Amar refused. If we want to join these two things into a single sentence, what it will be? She wanted to help Amar but he refused. So but is our again a conjunction. Next, he is tired yet he can't sleep. He is tired, he can't sleep. These were the two sentences. If you want to join these two sentences into single sentence, what it had become after joining? He is tired yet he can't sleep. So yet became our conjunction over here as it joined two sentences into a single sentence. Now we'll study the functions of conjunction. So conjunction performs the following function: combines similar things and forms a group. Okay, compare and contrast elements or ideas or things. Okay, so combine, it is basically conjunction combines as few things which are of the same kind. Okay, it also sometimes compares, sometimes it combines same type of thing, sometimes it compares different between different kind of thing, then strategically arrive at a conclusion. So after all combining and comparing, it finally the use of conjunctions may help us to arrive at an conclusion. Now types of conjunction. So there are three types of conjunction: coordinating, correlative and subordinating. But here we are going to study only two types of conjunction: coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction are words those connect these connect words or parts of a sentences that have an equal status or importance in that sentence. For example, and, but, no, or yet so. Okay, so what does a coordinating conjunction do? A coordinating conjunction connects two sentences or two phrases which have equal importance. ठीक है, ऐसे दो सेंटेंस को इकट्ठे कनेक्ट करता है या जोड़ता है जिसके दोनों सेंटेंस की तवज्जो बराबर होती है, इंपॉर्टेंस बराबर होती है. ठीक है, जब हम दोनों बराबर सेंटेंस को, दोनों इक्वल सेंटेंसेस को कनेक्ट करते हैं किसी वर्ड से, वो होता है कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. व्हाट इज़ अ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन? व्हेन वी जॉइन टू इक्वल सेंटेंसेस of two sentences of equal status and equal importance together by using a conjunction, that conjunction will be called as coordinating conjunction. Okay, some examples of coordinating conjunctions are and, but, not, or yet so. The or, yet, so, these are coordinating conjunctions. Okay, these words play role of coordinator between two clauses or words. I love you and I miss you. सो सपोज़ यहाँ इससे दो सेंटेंस बने होंगे, जैसे आई लव यू और एक होता है आई मिस यू. ठीक है, ये दोनों सेंटेंस जो है बराबर इंपॉर्टेंस और स्टेटस के है. तो व्हेन इफ़ आई कैन जॉइन दिस सेंटेंस इनटू अ सिंगल सेंटेंस बाय सेइंग आई लव यू एंड मिस यू. ओके, so when I am using, what I am using over here, I am using and over here, as there are these are the two sentences of equal importance. So and is an coordinating conjunction over here. Okay, now next, He wants to see me but can't come to India. Now, what would have been the two sentences over here? It would have been he wants to see me, he can't come to India. Again, these are two sentences of equal status. ठीक है? So, how did we join these two sentences? He wants to see me, but he can't come to India. Again, one more is he is talented yet very lazy. Same examples are given over everywhere. Next is our subordinating conjunction. These are used to join a dependent clause to the main clause in a sentence. Okay. So, what is a dependent clause? Dependent clause depends upon the independent clause for completing its meaning. So, subordinating conjunctions are used to join a dependent clause with an independent clause. While I have explained you clauses and its type, at that time also I explained you all coordinating and subordinating conjunction. If you don't know what is a clause, you can go into my previous videos and study about clauses. Okay. So, subordinating conjunction is used to join a dependent clause along with an independent clause, or in simple words we can say it is used to join two sentences which are not of equal status or importance. ठीक है, दो ऐसे सेंटेंस जिसके इक्वल इम्पॉर्टेंस नहीं है उनको जब हम इकट्ठे जोड़ते हैं किसी वर्ड से, किसी कंजंक्शन से, वो होता है हमारा सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. सीमा वेंट टू द हॉस्पिटल बिकॉज शी हैड हाई फीवर. सीमा वेंट टू द हॉस्पिटल. ओके, ये हमारा क्या हो गया? इन द मेन क्लॉज हो गया. ठीक है, इंडिपेंडेंट. शी हैड हाई फीवर, ये क्या हो गया? हमारा डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. ठीक है, with the help of which word we are joining these two clauses? We are joining these two clauses with the word because, and here because becomes our subordinating conjunction. Next is Mimamsa went home although she knew there was no one there. Mimamsa went home is our main clause, obviously, because it can stand alone and it is able to explain its meaning completely. She knew there was no one there is a dependent clause. Okay, so when we are joining these two clauses with the word although, which is a conjunction, so when we are joining a main clause with an dependent clause with a main clause with a conjunction, that conjunction is said as subordinating conjunction. So although will be our subordinating conjunction. I hope you all are able to understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.